Hello, so I'm going to show you how to order negative decimal numbers. So yeah, and once again I will have to keep standing up. So if you hear me pause, then you know why. There's not enough storage on my phone. So anyway, we're going to order it in ascending order, so we're going from lowest to highest. Right. So as you can see, the highest is going to be here. So we know that's going to be the last number. But we have these negatives over here, which we kind of need to resolve. So we've got minus 2.1, minus 2.30, minus 2.92, minus 2.52. Right? And I'm going to do a number line, so it's easier. But before I do that, I'm going to put these values in this column here. So we've got minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. I'm going to put the dots there. Right. So we've got the 1 here, obviously the 0, 0. Got the 3 here, oops, 0, 0. 9, 2, 0, 5, 2, 0. Right, so we know where all of this is. And there's obviously one problem that we didn't have last time that we have now, which is the fact that it's negative. So if I was to, oh God, put this in a number line, we're going to have 0. So I'll put the 0 there. We'll have minus 2.1, minus 2.2, minus 2.3, minus 2.4, right, so you can see here, you got the minus 2.1, should lie around about here. So you can see it's not as negative. Okay, so we've got minus 2.1, okay, which as you can see is not too far from 0. Now you have minus 2.3. Got minus 9.20, which I'd say is round about there, and minus 2.520. So it would be round about there. Alright, so we'll go from ascending order, then from the most lowest to the most highest. So as we can see here, the lowest one, so the one furthest away from the 0, I guess, if you want to put it that way, and the one that's most negative would be the minus 2.920. So we're going to put that first. And then got the minus 2.520. We've got the minus 2.3. And the minus 2.1. And obviously, the 2.72, which should be round about here, which is the highest number. So as you can see, it's going from the lowest number all the way to the highest. Okay, cool. Sorry, I'll try and not use my hands as much. Okay. I'm going to use a bunch of different numbers. So, you got minus 100.927, minus 5.26, 3.97, 5.72, 0.127. Right, so it's pretty much quite straightforward. And for us to do it in ascending order, going from the most lowest to the most highest. So obviously this minus 100 is going to be the most lowest number. The next negative number that we can see that is the lowest would be minus 5.26. And then the 0.127, then the 3.97, and the 5.72. So yeah. Okay, I'm going to do a few more different examples. So minus 10.962, minus 3.97, 3.957 minus 3.201 minus 3.053, and let's just do 2. Alright, so again, I want to go in ascending order. So lowest to the highest. If it was going from highest to lowest, you're doing it the other way around, so we're going from the highest value to the lowest. Okay, so as we can see here, the most lowest value we can find with where the minus 10 is. So I'm just going to put the minus 10. Oh, bad idea. Minus 10.962. Right. And then we've got the minus 3.57, minus 3.201. So if I was to do 3.957, 3.201, and 0.53. Minus. Okay. So the most lowest value. So imagine these are all 3s. So if I was to do 3 there. Right. So we've got minus 3.95, which would be around about here. Minus 3.201, it'll be around about here. It'll be very close to the minus 3.2. And then minus 3.053. So 3053, so we'll see around about half there. We'll see our next lowest would be the minus 3.957, then the minus 3.201, and minus 3.053, and then the next highest would be the 2. So yeah, that's how you do it. If you want me to do more videos on the decimal sen, obviously, I can do that. Or if you want to do any questions from workbooks, then yeah,